आज के इस लेसन में हम देखते हैं कि अगर हमारे पास रेसिप्रोकल कर्व हो तो उसको हमने कैसे प्रोसीड करना है। एक एग्जांपल की मदद से इसको सीखते हैं। द गिवन डाटा इज प्रोवाइडेड इन एक्स एंड वाई फॉर्म एंड यू हैव टू पुट this curve, and it is named as reciprocal curve because here the one term is in reciprocal. So the given equation is 1 over y is equal to a plus bx, and first of all we have to say that this is a non-linear equation. Agreed? So we have to convert it into a linear form. If you see in linear form, this is required, this is required, this is required, the only this factor is not required, and we have to change it. For this we suppose it as y dash. So very simple, let 1 over y is equal to y dash. So what will be the new equation? 1 over y becomes y dash, and this become as it is a plus bx. So if you look at this equation, this is now in a linear form and we can solve it easily. How we can solve it? If you recall, this was a simple linear equation, y is equal to a plus bx, and we know the value, how to find the values of b and a. We use this formula for b and this formula for a to calculate the unknown value of a and b. But now here this form is changed and we need a slightly changed formula for b. I can recall it. N is equal to summation x into y dash. If you also recall, here the data used to find a and b is in the form of x and y, but here we cannot use the data x and y, rather we need to use data 1 over y, and I call it y dash. So I am using x data and here y dash data. So b and a also contain these two variables. So here it comes sum of x and here it will become sum of y dash rather than y. And in the bottom, since there is no y term, so I can write simple x form. And what will be the a? For a, I need y dash bar minus bx bar. So I will use these two formulas, modified formulas, to calculate the b and a value. The given data was this one, so I need to find some other calculation. For example, first of all I have to convert y into 1 over y, I call it y dash. Then I need to use this data and this data, and forget about this data at the moment. And here I calculate x into y dash, and here I will calculate x into x. This x into x is actually x square. So you can use this data in Excel and then perform these calculations, or you can use manual calculator or Windows calculator to do these calculations. So here it comes n is equal to, what will be the n? 6. And what will be the sum of x? Sum of x will be 39, and this will be the value of sum of y dash, 1.58, and this will be the value of sum of x into y dash, 15.225, and the last value will be sum of x square, 4 5 3. So putting these values in B and simplifying it, we can easily get the formula of B. The n is 6 and sum of x square x into y dash is 15.225 minus sum of x is 39 and sum of y dash was 1.58. Here n is equal to 6 and sum of x square was 453 minus sum of x square is 39 whole square. If you simplify the above term, it will become 29.73 and at the bottom you will get 1197, and if you further simplify it, it will give you answer 0.0248, and this is my value of B. So here the half of the question is done. Next we find the value of A. Very simple. What is y dash bar? It is sum of y dash divided by n, and x bar is sum of x divided by n. You can calculate these values here and here and then put these values in this equation, and the other option is you can directly put these values here. So sum of y dash and divided by n. So this is my y dash. And what was B? B I just calculated, it was 0.248, and now we can get x bar. X bar is 39 divided by 6. Multiply these and then subtract from the first value. It will convert into 0.1019. This is my value of A. So just plug in these values in the given equation, original equation. So 1 over y is 0.1019 plus b was 0.0248 into x, and this is my final answer. Let me recap it once more time. The given data was in x and y form, okay, and the required equation that we want to fit was in some like this form, a plus bx. We converted this into making transformation. We let it as y dash, so the new equation becomes a plus bx. Here we find it a plus b as usual we did in many other cases. So the a and b. Here we don't need to convert it back as far as these coefficients are concerned. So we can use these values in 1 over y and a find out plus b. So this was all about how to fit a reciprocal curve from the given data. I hope you enjoyed this learning. Thank you so much.